Just got home. Want to do a little walk around quick of the bike. So 4,500 miles will do it to you. Couple things on the trip. Move those to a different spot so it's more comfortable. My seat broke. It is literally just squished. As soon as I set my big butt on there, it just goes all the way down to the bar. So we're gonna have to do something about that. I mean, it looks great, but I can tell you right now, if I didn't have that other saddleman piece, I would have been struggling. Lids did what I wanted them to do. I will take them off when I do the washing, and we'll look and see if it stopped me from getting scratched up. Other than that, the bike did well. This is a trunk from Advent Black, and it did outstanding. This is the second bike I've had that on. It did great. Other than that, it's just dirt and grime. Hill shifter did great for me on the trip. Definitely glad that I had it. Cup holder, 100% recommend. Can't speak highly enough of the Cena unit. Did the dongle, the red. I will put some links and stuff in there. The remote, everything I filmed just about was with the 360, except for pretty much what I'm filming right now. Avon grips did great. I'll tell you what. Don't worry about the heat in the winter or whatever. This is what it kept off of my hands. If you see that and you see that, you're going to take a long ride. I mean, I didn't feel any more heat, and we were 100-degree days. I can't say it made a difference at all with the heat. But the fairings from Clockworks, windshield from Clockworks, and this is a short windshield. And I will tell you, I let that windshield down twice, and both times I got nailed with a bug in the face. Front tire. So this tire has been on 2 bikes. It has now got 15 to 20,000 miles on it. Look at that thing. I'll probably get a new one, and I'll put new bearings on, but man, that's amazing. Look at that. I mean, look at my finger. And I'm talking highway miles. That's, yeah. If you want to know what kind of tire that is, message me. I'll put it on there. But lights did great. Davison Audio. Wow, dude. From Panama City to North Carolina. From North Carolina to Strugis to back. Absolutely phenomenal. It did great. 100-degree days. Riding down the road, off and on. Had several people stop and asking me, lowers, hey, what is this? You know, people from not around here that has heard of you. So thank you, kudos, great sound system. Glad I did what I did. I'll be seeing you in the future for another upgrade, I'm sure. So again, great trip, great time. Clifton should be getting home about now too. I'll cut the bike on so we can see. So now we're at 10,538 miles. This thing lasted for 8 or 9 hours. It says it's supposed to be last 6 to 8, I think. 8 or 9 hours, no problems. For the day, 463 miles on this. I think it's 500 on my Google Maps. It is absolutely spot on. Did great for the trip. 4,544 with 30 miles to the gallon. And I'll tell you, for the whole trip, that's on average probably about right. I think I got 42 at the most for probably 3 or 4 days, and then 38, 39 is pretty much where I've been. So that's pretty spot on. Again, great. 374 miles to the oil change, which I did right before we left, to right when we get back. So tomorrow, this bad boy is getting a bath, and hopefully she won't hate me. I'll check out the horn just to see if it's unplugged or if I have something going on in my controls. My guess is my controls. So that's where we're at. And we got there, so we'll get you there next time too.